When people hear of consistency on YouTube, they believe it means posting every day to this platform. While posting on this platform every day is not a bad thing, remember it might lead to unauthentic content. What does that mean? Just stay with me and I will tell you more about it. Hey friends, my name is Philip, and if you love what I do, please hit on the subscribe button. Hitting on the subscribe button is one way you encourage me to continue and never stop doing something like this. If you've already done that, let's rock and roll. A lot of people have their meaning to the word consistency, but altogether, I believe consistency means doing one thing over and over without any loss of enthusiasm. A lot of people who have become content creators here on YouTube have the regular way they post their YouTube content. Some people post daily and others post 2 times or 3 times a week as the case may be, and others post monthly. It doesn't matter how much you post if you understand the word consistency regarding your posting. As you may know, the only way we can succeed in doing whatever our mind is set to do is to remain consistent. Consistency is one thing that helps us to progress. It is one thing that helps us through life to attain whatever we want to attain. So regarding YouTube, where we upload our video every time, you need to understand what consistency really means so that your video will always go viral and the YouTube algorithm will always see and recommend your video at all time. So now, what is consistency on YouTube? A lot of content creators here on YouTube have talked about consistency to be a regular thing. In most cases, many of them have encouraged new content creators to always post daily. And anyone who fails to post daily is not serious with posting, or is not serious with content creation. But the truth is, consistency doesn't really mean posting every day. In some way, posting daily might get you burned out or even quitting YouTube. So what does it mean to post consistently on YouTube? Posting consistently on YouTube simply means you have to schedule time or days in which you will always post on YouTube. For example, if you're the kind of person that loves posting YouTube shorts, you should be able to schedule a time or a day in which you will be able to drop your shorts on your channel. This will help your audience, your subscribers, to know when to expect your video. And if you are the kind of person that loves posting a long video on your channel, you should also likewise do the same thing. Schedule out days and hours in which you will always post on YouTube so that your subscribers will in turn know when to expect your video and watch them. So consistency is not all about posting every day. It is about understanding when you will be available to drop your video. There are a lot of YouTubers who doesn't post regularly. Some of them post monthly and others post weekly. So posting every day might lead to unauthentic content. That means it may lead you to not be able to research your topic very well and also prepare and edit your video as much as your audience will want it. So having all of these things happen in your video might cause your audience or your subscribers not to trust your video. So you don't have to rush about when to post your video. So you need to understand when it will be convenient for you to upload your video. So let's take this channel as a case study.
There was a time when the financial world marveled at the genius of Charles Ponzi, the man who was in charge of one of the most successful business investments in America. He had millions of dollars at his disposal and crowds of people lining up, literally begging him to take their money.
This channel doesn't post more than 2 or 3 times a month, and if you look at the video carefully, you come to see that there are a lot of things going on this video. One, the creator will help you to understand that he went into deep research to be able to come up with this video, and secondly was able to work with his team to come up with this good editing. And if you see everything that is going on in this video, you can tell that anyone who is creating this kind of video will not be able to drop daily. So take your time and understand when you can be able to create your video content so that you won't get burned out and that may not lead you to quitting here on YouTube. So in summary, consistency doesn't mean dropping video every day. It means knowing the best time for you to drop your video and never miss it. So when you are able to drop your video at the time you promise your subscribers, or at the time your subscriber is always expecting you to drop your video, you come to see that the trust that your subscribers will have for you, the trust that the audience will have for you become massive. It will become great, and with that, every of your video will begin to go viral. And also the YouTube algorithm will come to understand your video and your channel so well, and with that, they can be able to recommend your video to a wide range of people. So now that you've learned about consistency, you have to plan when and how you are to upload your video at all times, so that you won't get burned out and you will quit YouTube. Hey friends, I know the little I've been able to say in this video suffice, and if you get any value from it, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. Alright, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.